Your old photos are your past, your memories. They're the safe which keeps your best moments in life alive forever. Your photos are who you are and what you leave behind. But they're also a piece of paper. Anything could happen to a piece of paper. Grandkids can get creative. Guys' night can get messy. Criminals can get emotional. Teenagers can get rebellious. Dogs can get hyperactive. Dads can go crazy with their midlife crisis. Kids can get destructive. Introducing Photomyne, an easy-to-use mobile app for scanning, saving, and sharing photos. Old albums digitized in minutes, saved forever. Just because your photos are from the past doesn't mean your albums can't be for the future.